Hello, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and today we're walking along the seafront on a glorious sunny spring day, May the 6th, Easter Monday. So it's a bank holiday, should be fairly quiet in terms of locals anyway. But we're going to have a quick walk up, possibly see the Ulala man. Actually, I think Mondays was his day off, lightweight. But we'll go up to the harbour and back, and then I'll fly my drone, I think. I've already walked up Statos Avenue to film the renovation work, and you'll have seen that film already, and come back via the promenade, which is nice. But as there was still a bit of life in the battery of the camera, I thought I'd film here as well. If it speeds up towards the end though, that'll be the reason why. Number of restaurants blowing the Easter dust off. Some of them are open for breakfast. The question is, will I be able to film Fish Boy unmolested? This is the municipal baths. Little secluded area if you're not confident in your swimming. So when you get waves in there, it's not that safe. Steps down to there. Now the whole area around the seafront is very good for snorkeling if the sea is calm. For a start, all the fishermen you see around here must be catching something. You can see a bit of gravel that's been washed up over the last couple of days there. And there was some chap sweeping by the municipal beach just up there, seaweed. Now, looking at that, I might get a little bit wet, but I'm quite hot now, so to be quite honest, I won't really mind that. So I'll go and film this. There he is, everyone's favourite fish boy. And we'll even pan down and have a look at his, I was going to say rear, but I meant the fish behind him. Give him the traditional pat on the head. Good this son. And off we go. I'd say that's a bit of an anticlimax after all the times I've tried to film him. Aha, didn't get me. It's too early for the wooden pub. So it would be definitely too early for Pizza Express. Come on, who comes to Cyprus and has a pizza? Oh, I do, to be honest. Well, I live here, so I'm allowed to. Not a Pizza Express though. There's a great pizza restaurant just past King's Avenue Mall. And if ever I want the pizza, I'll go there. Nothing wrong with Pizza Express, I hasten to add. But the one by King's Avenue Mall is a bit less corporate. Go and have a quick look at the beach. Paphos' famous beach, glorious sands. Now, If you come to Paphos and this is the only bit of coast you can see, then you might be understandable about criticising the quality of Paphos beaches, but that's because that isn't really Paphos' beach. You've got the Sodat beach back there, which we walked past in the last film. That's procedure A and B. You've got Lighthouse Beach, Venus Beach, Pakiamos Beach, A and B, or 1 and 2, I can't remember how the system went. And of course further up the coast you have Sandy Bay, Coral Bay Beach, Coalia Beach, and if you like it a bit more remote, you've got White River Beach, and of course Lava Bay, and that's just the south coast. On the north coast you've got Aphrodite Secret Beach, you've got Chilavro Bay, one I can't even begin to pronounce, the Latsi Beach, Polis Municipal Beach, Polis Campsite Beach, and all the long strip of Kritou Bay all the way pretty much up to Paphos, where you have Paphos Harbour, which is fairly pebbly but a very nice beach to go to. And then you've got Pakiamos Village Beach, and that just about covers it for Paphos. I think there might actually be in Nicosia at that point. Anyway, so yes, there were lots of beaches in Paphos, off the top of my head. There's the Eliane and their famous webcam, where we go to get our specs sorted. So if I walk into a lamppost now, you can blame them. Oh, and there's Mandria Beach as well. There's Captain's Bistro. I'm not convinced that there's an actual captain in there somewhere, but perhaps Captain's View means that if you look hard, you can get a view of a captain. This is where they've removed one of the dead palm trees. And there's the moorings. And remember, if you like our content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it really does help YouTube promote us. And if you want to help us financially, then go to our paphoslife.com/coffee page, and you can either send us coffee or click on one of the affiliate links. And it looks like we're going to have enough batteries to go into the harbour as well. We'll switch hands briefly. After a while you tend to get pins and needles. Oh, there's a fisherman up there casting away. There are 2 fishermen, 3. Yeah, as I was saying about snorkeling, if there were no fish, they wouldn't be fishing here. Now, admittedly, most of the fish I've seen here aren't anything that will give you a decent meal, put it that way. But they must be catching something. I think I'm going to avoid that bit of the path just ahead. There's the new car park and there's a harbour restaurant just there. The camera, and someone's waving at us. Don't know who they are, but hello to you. I'll just try to show the restaurant. I always say hello if someone waves. Okay, what's this up here? Cancer Patient Support Group, Paphos. Charity number 69. Kathikas charity. Oh, looks like there's 2 charities together. Looks like a little stall they got. I photographed that on the way back to give them a plug, so I can post that immediately, whereas this film won't go out for a few days, I'd imagine. And there's the main car park. If you can't get a slot there, just carry on up that road and go behind the restaurant, and you're bound to be able to get one there, unless it's Cypriot bank holiday like today. However, you'll be able to get a spot there today, I'd imagine, at this time. Lunchtime may be different. Now we're coming into the domain of the tour boats. And I'll stick a link up to Viator so you can see loads of tours that are available via Viator, company who also do TripAdvisor. So you can see reviews of tours as well, and you can book online. Most of the time you get free cancellations, etc. should you not be able to go. Obviously there'll be conditions attached. You couldn't cancel 5 minutes before your tour is due to depart. Right, straight ahead we've got the mysterious clock. And beyond that we have the archaeological park. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Let's go through the restaurant area of the harbour. There's a dog on the lead, or two dogs on the leads. Hence the interest that he's showing in each other. So we've got King's and Theo's restaurant, and Pelican and Stevie's. Those are the ones I remember without having to look up. Smells a bit fishy, but you'd expect that really, wouldn't you? I'd say it does look very nice here these days. Get your boat tours here. There's a gelateria over there. Can't see any pelican. Definitely can't see any penguin. I think I can see a Henry up ahead trying not to look into the camera, whoever the true professional that he is. So there's Stevie's, and I'll pan round now because he's obviously itching to say hello. And here he is, complete with his hat. It is the man himself.
It's Easter Monday.
Pardon? It is.
It's Easter Monday. Usually I don't work on Monday.
I know. It's almost as if you heard what my commentary was back up there. I said, well, pop in there, but you may have the day off. The lightweight was the actual term I used.
I have to be because I might probably get busy. So.
Yeah, fair enough though. Did you get double bubble?
Oh, well, I did. How's everyone doing though? Oh, good, yeah? Good.
Come on, motivate me quickly.
You know, in life, sometimes life is ups and downs, but you never give up. Keep moving forward. You know?
Excellent.
Keep moving forward. As long as you don't give up, you succeed.
Can't say further than that. Anyway, I'll let you get on with your job.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
And I'll say hello when I'm coming back in a minute. Right. These monstrous carbuncles are far less monstrous now. They got glass. Ooh, they look like proper buildings next. Now, according to what Henry said last time, and they'll be open by the end of May. And I have to say, looking at that, they're well on schedule. We'll come round the other side. It's always nice to see Henry. Oh, the little, I don't know why I'm so excited, quite a sad git. The little boat hire thing is back. It's got a lighthouse, and that could be a trick question, couldn't it? How many lighthouses are there in Paphos? Because some people would just say the one, but you could say no, there's one in the Akoursos too, and that is a very interesting drive. If you've ever done that, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But there's a third lighthouse here, and if you want to be a purist and a completist, there's another lighthouse at Badger Bay in Kathikas. So 4 that I know of anyway. If you could name another lighthouse in the Paphos district and drop a comment, and you'll win my eternal gratitude, if not a prize. How's that? Right, we're coming to the end of the film now. The battery level is now in the single figures. So we'll have a quick look at the fort. No, it's a castle, damn it. I don't care what you call it. But we'll have a look at it anyway. You won't go in. Oh, you can't go in. Door's closed. Good job I hadn't been planning to go in, really. Right, so here's modern Aphrodite, looking towards Aphrodite's rock, her birthplace, which has got a long way to look, has to be said. Not sure what that sign for 1986 is supposed to indicate. Now, last time I was here, off camera of course, I tripped up those steps, and I've still got a nice big scab on my knee to prove it. So I'm going to walk up here very carefully, because that's the disadvantage about making a walking area out of concrete as opposed to foam rubber. There are many advantages though, so I think in the grand scale of things they made the best choice. But we'll get to the top and then we'll pan back to the fort castle and we'll call it a day, because my wrist has certainly had enough. Right, you'll get dazzled by the sun, but so what. Okay, thanks for watching.